when you wanna know what's on the trail. Where do you go? And what will they say? CQ Review. CQ Review. CQ Review. CQ Review. CQ Review.
Welcome to Canadian Quarters Review. Once again, today we are at Maple Ridge Motorsports in Maple Ridge, BC, Canada. And we're going to be talking about this Kawasaki Mule SX. This is actually a really neat looking machine. The other beauty is this guy even has a steel box in the rear. Scratch resistant and handles 400 pounds or 181 kilograms. And it's got a quick release system in order to tip the box. So at a closer look with this thing, this machine is actually built quite strong, and it will be more of a workhorse than it is a sport machine. But from what Stan is telling me, it's a very capable machine. This will have your locking front diff. It has your four-wheel drive, of course, and you can outfit it with a winch and that kind of stuff as well. But if you want a really good workhorse for around the farm, or maybe just even some hunting or something, this would be the machine for you. Okay, so let's talk more specs, shall we? So it is a 4-stroke air-cooled single overhead cam, 401cc. It's got Nikkei 6C1026 carburetor, magneto transistor for your charging system, independent McPherson strut suspension with a unit swing axle, rack and pinion steering, and sealed 4-wheel auto-adjusting hydraulic drums for brakes. Your fuel is 16 liters or 3.5 gallons. The curb mass is 1,098 pounds or 498 kilograms. And the beauty of this thing is it will fit in the back of your 8-foot pickup truck box. So the vehicle load capacity is going to be 884 pounds or 401 kilograms. The cargo bed load capacity is going to be 399 pounds or 181 kilograms. Towing capacity is 1,102 pounds or 500 kilograms. And so if you look on the passenger side, right behind the seat here, this is where your latch is for your box. Just like that, just a little clasp or whatever you want to call those things. Grab your handle right here and lift. Give you a shot of the engine here as well. There's fully adjustable shocks all the way around. I believe they're McPherson struts on the front. Even the bed looks really nice. Metal checker plated floor. Just a simple tailgate. Almost reminds me of the old Toyota pickup trucks from back in the 70s and the 80s. Oops. Solid rear axle. No, I've always been a fan of older 4x4s, the rugged ones. without so many bells and whistles, and this Mule seems to be very much the same. You know, it's kind of rudimentary in some ways, but there's no question it's built solid, and this guy is going to do work for you, no question. So this guy will actually come with the roof. It's got 26-inch Duro tires on it with a reasonably aggressive tread and high-intensity LED lights. It's got a pretty skookum skid plate underneath it that I'll be showing you in a bit. Of course, your two-wheel drive and four-wheel drive, locking front diff, and it even has electric power steering. But I just like the fact of how rugged it's made. This might be the guy that you want to take camping, or that you do want a bit of off-road and stuff. See the floor is metal checker plated. Of course, it's all automatic. So you've got your shifter there for four-wheel drive and two-wheel drive. You've got your normal automatic shifter for high and low and reverse. Your buttons there for your lights. There's your hour meter. And this is for your locking front diff. It's even got a cup holder. I think there's one on the other side too. It's got another great storage space. The glove box. Again, it's huge. I'm impressed with the storage actually on this. 12-volt outlet, which will be good too. And check this out for storage space. This is on the front. That's massive. Very cool. Put some tools in there, straps or something like that, depending if you're using this for work. So this guy will have 401 cc, 4-stroke engine, overhead valves. Couple of engine lights there for you. Hit the reverse. E-brake. Definitely not your speed demon, but it will definitely get the job done. You can just tell it's built solid. Pretty easy to steer. It's got a great turning ratio. This is very cool. I'm sorry guys, at the time of filming this, I don't think I have the right brochure, and some of the information I've spouted out already isn't quite right. I'm going to do some research on the internet and I'll let you know if I can find the real information. So if this unit looks like it's going to suit your needs, come on down to Maple Ridge Motorsports and talk to Stan. Stan is one of the most knowledgeable guys I've ever met as far as sales and ATVs and power sports and things like that. Tell him the Canadian Quadders Review sent you. They'll take excellent care of you, and he's definitely a knowledgeable person to answer all your questions. They got awesome financing, their service is excellent for customers, and they're selling a really good product. Once again, guys, I just want to say thank you for taking the time to check out my channel. So appreciate your support. Please hit like and subscribe and that notification bell. And we'll see you next week. Thanks again for watching.